Red Swedish fish?
Take this.
Why?
Trust me, trust me.
Blue Sour Punch? Hey, that's not blue. That's green.
Hey, wake up!
Orange tree? That's three trees, not one. And now it's purple.
Eat the pitching!
Okay. Hey!
Huh?
You
Wait, that's not a Sour Patch Kid. That's a Sour Adult.
Wow! Chocolate!
เฮ้ย